Blantyre Sports Club. Hayze Engola.
Yo, I'm good and yourself?
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
How are you seeing things over here?
Yo, man, as you can see, man, it looks turned up. Man. I'm enjoying the show. Henry Caesar, Ubanga perform Vanova at Tamodo, down in Lajina Mills, in Andani there. Nah, man, I'm having a real good time. How has
been your experience over here?
No, it's been good. It's been good. I can't complain. The service has been good. The venue's good. Everyone's having a good time. Really can't complain about anything. As you can see, it's quite peaceful. Everyone's just having a good time. No violence, no nothing. And all I can say is shout out to Gwamba, man. He's put up a great show, man.
Can you say a little something about the last song that you so far?
Kanenin. Yeah, man, that was just a song that I'm in a good space. So and also just trying to connect with another demographic, yeah, to my fans zangaena. Yeah, so you know, I was basically trying to talk to my other people as well, you know. Makosana Freestyle, so I promise you that. I promise you. So
Thank you so much for your time here.
Thank you so much.